Crochet tomato keychain tutorial. Let's start super cute crochet tomato. 4-strand 1.8 crochet hook. Round 1, return 6 short needles. Pull the thread and tighten it. Round 2, 6 plus needles. Round 3, 1 short needle, 1 plus needle, repeat 6 times. Round 4, 1 short needle, 1 plus needle, 1 short needle, repeat 6 times. Round 5, 3 short needles, 1 plus needle, repeat 6 times. Round 6, 2 short needles, 1 plus needle, 2 short needles, repeat 6 times. Round 7, 5 short needles. 1 plus needle, repeat 6 times. Round 8 to 14, no addition, no subtraction, 7 rows of short needles. The effect of hooking 14 circles. Round 15, 5 short needles, 1 short needle, repeat 6 times. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can cut the needle according to the pattern. Finally, pull the thread. Super cute tomato keychain is ready. Thanks for watching the video.